Does the handbrake work?
The handbrake, yeah.
Yeah?
I haven't used it today though.
Oh, it does, okay. Okay, we just sending it. Oh.
Go through the dirt. I think taking it to the dirt is the best bet.
We did it, boys. We spun out and went to the dirt again. What up, y'all? How's it going today? It's a beautiful day here in the high desert. So I am currently on my way to Apple Valley Raceway in the Silverado new tow rig. I got my Lexus back there, and the track is currently down the road that direction. But I wanted to do a quick little intro before I got there. So we're going there. I got invited to a private little event. Total of, I think, 7 people were there. The tow rig looking nice, a bunch of tires in the back. The Lexus looking clapped the fuck out. I got it running yesterday. I got 10 o'clock for the first time like in over a month. But it don't matter. So let's go to the track. I'll walk you guys when I go in there, and I'm actually really excited today. Let's hope something doesn't break, because my axle and my diff are holding on for dear life right now. But they gotta make it through the day. So let's have some fun, guys. Okay, so after a few laps already, we have our first breakage of the day. I already blew a tire too, but that's easy to fix. What broke is that here we. There we go, that's better. So I can't get second because of my shifter right there. It shouldn't wiggle around like that. That is bad, bad, bad. So like right now I can grab second because it just bottoms out. But I need to shove something in here. That way it pushes this as far forward as possible. Then I can grab second. So we'll see how that goes. But far so good. I can't complain. We're doing great on the track, getting more laps than anyone else so far. Apple Valley is actually surprisingly easy on this car, which I was not expecting. I don't think it would pain me out. Okay, so fix the shifter kinda. I just shoved a fucking socket set in between the shifter and the. We're gonna get more laps in. Turn on the GoPro now. Wish me luck, boys! From my escapades, this is the downside. Gave myself a single exit. That one was awesome. That side's fine. This one's a little fucked, just a little. So I'm trying to see if I can get a flathead in there, wedge it in there, and pull it down at least. That way it doesn't catch the bumper on fire. We're doing good though. Nice fun time, boys over there grilling burgers. So steady rocking all night long. We begin to rock. Steady. Until the break of dawn. Rock. Steady. Steady rocking all night. Ah, shit. Let's go get a fucking sawzall and cut the shit off. We're helping the local drifter dude. So I helped this dude because his car got stuck. So trying to see if we can tow this shit out, but let's see. So it's absolutely clapped.
Some of the power probably came off when you fucking.
I think so.
Yeah, when I went off of the track for sure. It's because I lost grip, bro. When I was turning it, when I flicked it in, I lost grip, bro. Because I think
It's okay. It's part of the fun.
That hurts to watch, bro.
Yeah, this is doing just fine. I think I heard some noise coming from the rear end, so I just kind of took a break, and I'm here, I'm refueling myself. We did it, boys. We spun out and went to the dirt again. very on brand for me, but we got it done. You know, it had to be done at least once, in this case twice. But didn't get video of it unfortunately, but the sends. My tire blew, that's why.
Oh, it did?
Ah.
Oh.
Come on.
You have the entry though.
We're so fucking close.
It's okay, YouTube. We'll come back out again.
Yeah. We just gotta do it. This means we gotta do it one more time. We gotta do it harder. We gotta bring more spares.
Yeah. Is the handbrake work?
The handbrake, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't used it today though.
Oh, it does. Okay. Look, we just sending it.
I have no traction on the corner now. Alright y'all, today was a success. So yeah, that was the last run of the day. After that I pretty much had to grab the car up and put it back on the trailer, which it is now, because it was time to go either way. I'm really excited with how it went. The track day was fucking immaculate. MVS is great fun. I highly recommend it. Even with this big ass boat, it was so much fun. I had a great time. I really liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys follow along, follow, subscribe, all that extra good shit. But yes, thank you for following along with me and my drift missile back there, because we're trying our best. But yes, have a good day. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Don't die. So deuces, biatch.